What's up, guys? Welcome back. Killer from One Piece. So he kind of looks like Super Saiyan 3 Goku with a mask. I'm on a landscape page. Use a pencil eraser and hit pause if I go too fast. You'll know what I mean when I draw it. So his kind of hockey mask thing, right? So it kind of looks like an egg, right? So say like his chin. So we'll go relatively square chin there. Top of the head is sort of more round, kind of up here. So we're gonna join these, bringing them down the side, right? So we'll go down this way. Right down like this, so like real curvy sort of shape to it. Reminds me of an egg. Right, then we have all these lines inside, so on the edge, so we got like this line here. Right, and this has all circles or dots inside, so we'll go for 3. So in this is from he's sort of battle worn, and he's got like these cracks in his mask, right? But I guess no, we'll do the lines first. So we'll go down. You want them to be evenly spaced. Right, like so, and then he has all the air holes and vents and things. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 coming up the side here. Okay, and then on the white line coming up this way. Same on this one. So we got to make them look like a little bit 3-dimensional, so that there's like some dark sides inside, right? So you just curve a line on the inside and then color black. So see, it makes it look a little bit 3D. Very simple way of doing it. Curve line, black, curve line, black. All the way down. Okay, and then we're going to give him a crack in the mask coming along just here. And coming down this way as well. Okay, so then he has things sticking out the side of his head. So we've got like little tubes coming out there, and some more like that. Something coming down this way, kind of like hooks or something. That one looks like it's broken. Is it? I don't know. I don't know if it's broken. But this is the way it is in the picture. Might be broken. Like that. Right, so now he's a real muscly dude, right? So But we got some hair first, right? It's just coming out from the mask here. We've got like a hair spike covering some of his neck. Right? And if you draw my Dragon Ball tutorials, it's Super Saiyan 3 hair. In my opinion. Right, so then his big wide neck comes down this way. From the hair. Like that. And then his shirt will just come around here, and it's kind of torn and stuff because he's been battling. Right, it's got these folds on it. It just goes all the way down towards the shoulder. Down into his armpit. Okay. So we just do some of the anatomy inside here. So we got like a big, oh well, he's got a beard actually. Just a zigzag kind of beard here, and then neckline coming down that way. Another neckline there, and some hatching on his trapezius. And I think there's like a vein here. Then he's got a real big chest muscle coming up that way. Okay, so then like his body then sort of comes down this way. Right, and you'll have like chest muscle sort of area coming across here. Done with sort of hatching lines. Like so. And like some fold lines just coming down his shirt. Armpit kind of fold lines there. And then in the center of his chest he's got this skull drawn in. So like we'll finish sort of line for his chest. Like that, and maybe like an ab line coming across here. Right, and then this skull and cross swords kind of a thing, right? So it just curves around here. And it comes down to teeth, 3 of them, or 4, how many? 1, 2, no, 3. And then we go around, down, eye, comes up, over, down, and another eye. Right, so then the sword, so 2 of these swords. Down off my page there. It's got that wavy line that swords have. And some lines on the handle. And you do another one that crisscrosses underneath this. Like so. Shoulder, real big. Bicep coming out here. So he's like a Dragon Ball character. Real muscly. And then tricep goes out that way. Bicep there. And again, we give him a vein on his bicep there. And shoulder on this side, curving out. The inside of the deltoid muscle there. Tricep and bicep. So bicep goes this way. tricep should stick out like up here somewhere, and then bicep line there. And we'll go, yeah, like so. So now all his hair sticks out from behind his head, right? So again, reminds me of Dragon Ball. So just all this spiky sort of hair sticking up off the head. Just loads of hair spikes. Some even down behind his back. And same on this side. Right, and then you just give them textures sort of all over, right? So same as Dragon Ball, texture lines all over his hair. Okay, you can add more texture if you want, but I think I will leave it there. That is how to draw Killer from One Piece. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.